Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we're diving into LeadSquared CRM, a powerful customer relationship management, or what we call CRM platform, designed for sales, marketing, and automation. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, or sales professional, Lead Squared can help you manage leads, track customer interactions, and automate workflows efficiently rather. So, what do you expect from this video? So, a detailed beginner-friendly tutorial. You can also learn how to navigate Lead Squared without an account and also exploring its key features indirectly from their official website. So, let's get started. So section number one is what is LeadSquared? So LeadSquared is a cloud-based CRM platform focused on lead management, automation, and analytics. It helps businesses generate, tracks, and nurture leads efficiently. So some of the industries it serves include education, finance and banking, healthcare, real estate, and travel and hospitality. Now moving on to the section number two, which is the Lead Squared official website overview. So before we log in, let's explore the official website. So you'll find the key sections like the features. So this is all about what Lead Squared offers, the industries, which is who benefits from Lead Squared, pricing, which is the subscription plans, and resources, the case studies, blogs, webinars. And lastly is a demo and contact. So how do you get started? For the third section, which is the features overview, so Lead Squared offers powerful CRM tools, including lead management, so this capture and track the leads. They also have the marketing automation, which is it automate emails, SMS, and workflows. They also have the sales execution CRM. So this one, it boosts sale productivity and customer portals. So this is about self-service portals for clients. And lastly is the mobile CRM. So you can manage leads on the go. So now let's talk about lead management. So one of the Lead Squared's core strength is its lead management system, which helps businesses capture leads from websites, social media, and ads. So track interactions with customers in one place. It also has a score and prioritize leads based on engagement. It can also automate the follow-ups. And now for the marketing automation. So marketing automation allows businesses to save time and increase engagement by number one, sending personalized email and SMS campaigns. Number two, by automating follow-up sequences. And number three is by setting up drip marketing campaigns. And lastly is by tracking customer behavior and responses. Now for sales execution CRM. So this one, it focuses on enhancing productivity with features like number one, track a task meeting and scheduling. Number two is automated reminders for sales team. Number three is mobile CRM for on-the-go access. And lastly is customizable sales workflows. Now let's also talk about the integration. So Lead Squared integrates with the popular platforms such as WhatsApp Business, Google Ads and Facebook Ads, Zapier, so this is for thousands of app integration, and payment gateways like Razorpay, and it also integrates with customer support tools like Desks. And let's also talk about the pricing plans. So Lead Squared offers custom pricing based on business needs. Pricing depends on the feature required, which is the basic, pro, enterprise plans. So the number of users, also the CRM customizations. So for section number 9, so this talks about the industries that use Lead Squared. So various industries use Lead Squared, such as education. This is for student admissions, marketing, and It also has the finance, so this is for loan processing and sales management. And for healthcare, so this is for patient engagement, appointment tracking, and etc. And lastly is the real estate. So they use it for lead tracking and automated follow-ups. Now, if you don't know, many businesses share success stories on how Lead Squared helped them increase revenue, automate workflows, and improve efficiency. So you can also check these in the resources section. So you might be wondering, how do I get a free demo? So to explore Lead Squared, you can request a free demo by visiting the Get a Demo page and just filling out your business details. And you can now schedule a call with Lead Squared experts. And let's talk about the security and compliance. So LeadSquared ensures that data security with ISO 27001 certification. It also has the GDPR compliance and a role-based access control. And if you don't know, Lead Squared also has a mobile application. So the Lead Squared mobile app allows users to track leads on mobile. You can also manage tasks and meetings, and you can also send automated follow-ups. And lastly is access real-time sales reports. Now, if you have any concerns or issues, you can contact the Lead Squared customer support. So they provide 24/7 support via email, phone, live chat, and also the help center and community. So you can check their website and you can see that you can see their customer support. And for training and webinars, so Lead Squared offers free training and webinars to help users learn CRM best practices, so the automation techniques and the sales strategies. And for the Lead Squared API and customization, so developers can integrate Lead Squared with other platforms using API for custom solutions. So let me give you an example of automation workflows. So you can get the automatic email responses, the lead scoring in assignments, and the sales pipeline updates. So those are the workflow automation examples. Now for the lead squared versus competitors. So let's compare lead squared to other platforms. So lead squared stands out due to its industry specific solutions, its advanced automation, and high customization. So if you want to contact the lead squared sales team, so if you're interested, you can contact their sales team directly for pricing and solutions. So the final thoughts is LeadSquared is a powerful CRM with lead management, automation, and integration. So it caters to multiple industries, which is really good. And you can also get a free demo available. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. That's it. Bye!